I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Q7 versus the SQ5. We'll explore their key differences, helping you decide which luxury SUV best fits your lifestyle. The Q7 is known for its spacious interior and family-friendly features, while the SQ5 prioritizes dynamic performance and agile handling. Let's dive into the specifics of each model, from their powertrains to their practical applications, to give you a clear picture. When it comes to performance, the SQ5 truly shines with its powerful 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering 349 horsepower for an exhilarating drive. It can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.7 seconds. The Q7, while still capable, offers a more composed ride, with engine options including a 2.0-liter four-cylinder or a 3.0-liter V6, prioritizing comfort and refinement over raw speed. Inside, the Q7 excels in practicality, offering 3 rows of seating and 14.2 cubic feet of cargo space even with all seats up. The SQ5, with its 2-row configuration, provides 25.1 cubic feet of cargo space, ideal for those needing ample room for gear. Both vehicles boast luxurious interiors, cutting-edge technology, and high-quality finishes, ensuring a premium experience for all occupants, whether you prioritize passenger capacity or cargo versatility. Considering pricing, the SQ5 generally has a lower starting MSRP compared to the larger Q7, making it an attractive option for performance enthusiasts. Your final decision will depend on whether you prioritize the SQ5 dynamic driving and sporty feel or the Q7's expansive interior and 3 rows of seating for family needs. Both offer exceptional Audi quality and luxury. Also, for some great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.